Hey, Jason here with Laguna Tools. Today we're going to take a look at the all-new SmartShop M, a machine built with precision, versatility, and power, unlocking limitless possibilities for you and your business. At the heart of the SmartShop M is a 6-horsepower HSD spindle. HSD is renowned for their versatility and performance, as well as reliability, and are perfect for tackling a variety of materials. The SmartShop M features an 8-position automatic tool changer to effortlessly change between tools and add productivity to every project. SmartShop M also comes with a 4-zone phenolic vacuum table. This vacuum table is perfect for cabinet production or anything requiring sheet goods. If you're cutting smaller pieces that require fixturing, there's also T-slots on the outside of the table and in the inside, which help you to fixture your material down to the table. Like all Laguna machines, the SmartShop M is built on a welded tubular steel frame. For the SmartShop M, we bring in a welded steel gantry. This gantry ensures precision and accuracy in all of your cuts, as well as providing you 12 inches of vertical clearance for more complex designs or intricate machining operations. To ensure speed and accuracy, Laguna features a rack and pinion system with linear guide rails to keep everything in line. Not only is this faster for machining times, but it's also a much quieter operation and ensures the precision in every single cut you make. New for the SmartShop M is the industrial Syntec control system. This control system is not only user-friendly, but allows any operator of all skill levels to bring their ideas to life. The SmartShop M is built with a variety of businesses in mind. Whether you're a small cabinet shop, sign maker, custom fab shop, prototyping, this machine is built to work with a variety of materials and a variety of applications. The SmartShop M is your go-to choice for CNC routing. Built for performance, designed for success, the SmartShop M is more than a machine. It's an investment in your future. Contact Laguna today for more information on how a SmartShop M CNC router can transform your business.